If it is fun, it will surely get done. That is one of the Fly Lady's favorite saying and one of mine as well. So on day 28 of the Fly Lady 31 Baby Step Challenge, we're going to do just that. We're going to add a bit of fun into everything that we do. For example, you can add a little bit of music, make it into a game, whatever it is that you have to do, but make it fun. And the fun twist, in addition to making everything that we do for our homes fun, we're also going to take one of the resting blocks that we have added throughout the challenge, and we're going to make it all about doing something fun for ourselves. Whether that is reading, working on a craft, a project, a new hobby, whatever it is. Make it super duper fun. Look forward to it. If you are more low energy in the morning, maybe make that fun block in the morning. If you're more low energy in the evening, switch it up. Or if the only chance that you can do it is when your children are napping in the afternoon. If you have children and they nap, then go for it. But be sure to schedule that time in for you, because it unfortunately is not going to fall out of the sky. And as homemakers, we tend to put everything else before taking care of ourselves. But I tell you the truth, even though it is super duper hard for me, I noticed that the times that I do fill up my cup, I am a much more productive, happier, and healthier homemaker. So I suggest that you try to do the same. It is super duper hard if you aren't used to it, but it is very well worth it. And we're going to add that once again to our habits. We're going to do it every single day. I'm so proud of you. I'll see you tomorrow on day 29 of the Fly Lady 31 Baby Step Challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.